Right now, the market is packed with image generation and video generation tools, but let's be real, most people still don't know which tool is actually the best. So today, I'm comparing the two most trending image generation tools side by side. No time wasting, let's start the video. Every prompt used in this video is available in the description, just grab it from the link. I'm copying the first prompt right now and pasting it into both models, Ideogram and Grok. After selecting the aspect ratio and hitting enter, you can see the results. Both tools delivered strong outputs, but the final opinion is yours. Tell me in the comments which image looks better to you. Now I'm going back to the document, copying the second prompt and pasting it into both models. Again, hit enter, and here are the outputs. Same thing with the third prompt. I just copy it, paste it in both models, hit enter, and check the results. Personally, I'm liking Grok's results more so far, but I want to hear your detailed opinion in the comments. Quick announcement, I've created my WhatsApp channel. If you want deeper knowledge about AI, make sure you follow it. Back to the topic, I'm copying the final prompt and running it through both models, and here are the results. Now it's time for a reality check. Both models perform well, but personally I prefer Grok. Here's why. Both tools have limits, but while Ideogram gives you 12 images per account every 5 days, Grok gives you 20 images plus video generation every single day. On top of that, Grok is faster and its image quality feels more consistent. Ideogram is also great, but only if you have the paid version. Grok delivers strong performance, even in the free version. If you watch the video till the end, that means you truly want to learn more about AI. So if you want to discover even more powerful tools, don't forget to follow me.